Your Roblox game might start fine, but if it keeps crashing in the middle of playing on your iPhone, it can ruin the whole experience. This usually happens due to low storage, an outdated app version, in-game graphic settings, or software glitches. Most players just restart, not knowing the real fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox crashing problem on your iPhone. So let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Reduce graphic settings. First, open up the Roblox app on your iPhone and now play a game. Then tap on the Roblox logo in the top left corner. Now select the Settings tab here. Now scroll down a little bit. Find the Graphics mode. Now look at the right side of the Graphics mode. Use the arrow button to select the manual. Here you can decrease graphics as well and lower graphics quality to reduce strain on the device. Solution 2. Free up iPhone storage. Now go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove, then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Solution 3. Offload the Roblox app. First, open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Check the Roblox app update. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon below, type Roblox, now find the Roblox app and tap on it. If you see that there's any updates available for Roblox, then update the app. And there you have it. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.